Ever had that sinking feeling when your check engine light pops on, and you have no idea what's wrong? Imagine being able to diagnose your car like a pro without spending hundreds at the shop. That's exactly what the Launch OBD2 Scanner CRP123X Elite brings to the table. Today, I'm breaking down its features, pros, cons, and whether this tool is worth your money in 2025. Stick with me till the end, you don't want to miss this one. The CRP123X Elite is not your average code reader. This thing packs serious diagnostic power into a handheld tool. First, it's compatible with all OBD2 compliant vehicles from 1996 and newer, covering US, European, and Asian models. So whether you drive a Ford, a Toyota, or a BMW, you're covered. It doesn't just read and clear check engine codes, it also gives you deep diagnostics on for major systems, engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS airbag system. That means you'll know more than just engine misfire. You'll see what's happening under the hood, in your brakes, and even in your airbags. The 5-inch touchscreen combined with physical navigation buttons makes it super easy to use even if you're not a tech person. Here's a huge plus: lifetime free Wi-Fi updates. No more paying extra for software updates. Just connect to Wi-Fi, tap update, and your tool is always up to date for 2025 and beyond. It supports live data streaming and graphing, so you can actually see how your sensors and systems are performing in real time. That's incredibly useful for spotting issues before they become expensive repairs. And if you're working in a dark garage, no problem. The CRP123X Elite has a durable build with a clear, bright screen that's easy to read anywhere. Now let's talk pros and cons. Covers for essential systems, not just the engine. Lifetime Wi-Fi updates, huge money saver over time. Easy to use touchscreen with physical buttons as backup. Real-time data and graphing for deeper insights. Works with most vehicles worldwide. It's not as advanced as high-end professional shop tools, so if you need programming or bidirectional controls, this isn't it. At around the mid-price range, it's more expensive than basic code readers. But you're also getting way more functionality. So, here's my take. The Launch CRP123X Elite is perfect for DIY car owners, weekend mechanics, and anyone who wants to avoid unnecessary trips to the shop. It's powerful enough to give you real answers, but simple enough for beginners to use confidently. If you want a scanner that balances ease of use with professional-grade insight, this one's worth every penny. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart car repair tips, and check the link in the description to grab your Launch CRP123X Elite OBD2 scanner. Take control of your car's health and your wallet. Until next time, drive safe and stay empowered.